What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're Rodgers Wranglers and we're going to be taking a look at the 2012 Jeep Wrangler in orange right here behind us. Kind of unique Jeep. Look at it to see some of the features, some of the options, the miles. You know, it is for sale. So one thing I always tell you, if you're watching here on Facebook or on YouTube, everything you see on camera that I film is always for sale. So if you like what you see, you got an opportunity to put it in your driveway. We'll see you soon and let's get this party started. Alright everybody, here's our 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Wow, this is really cool, huh? Man, talk about some cool upgrades. This thing's got it going on. When this one first came in on an 18-wheeler truck, I mean, my eyes were popping out. I said, wow, look at this. What a beast of a Jeep. Anyways, we're going to let you check it out today and let you see a little more details about it. How many miles on it, all that good stuff. And hey, some of the upgrades done to it. Now, let me tell you folks, I'm no Jeep expert. I know I'm out here selling them and showing you to them and all that, and I'm learning every day. But just if you're watching on YouTube, I know some of y'all Jeeper guys, you know, that know so much about Jeeps, want to get in that comment section and leave some wild and crazy comments on these videos. But let me tell you folks, just give me some time and I will be an expert. So anyways, but we're not going to stop filming. We're going to show them to you. So let's take a look. This one's got some LED lights on the front here. Oh man, those look cool, right? Yeah, are they functional? Of course they are. Fog lights down there. Looks like the guy had his factory bumper here and did some modifications to it. Looked like he might have trimmed a little off here and then put something in there and sprayed something and put some foam here and foam there. You know, not the best look going on there. So if you buy this one, you may want to get that fixed at some point. Who knows though, right? Do whatever you want to it, but still a really cool Jeep. No matter what. It's got these aftermarket headlights on here with the LEDs. Pretty sweet. Got a little light going on up there. Got a snorkel over here. You know, you can get in the water, have a little fun, let her breathe. We had put these rims on here, okay? So it did have a different set of rims and tires, which had more of a steel wheel in orange with the circles that matched the paint job, which I kind of thought were cool. But hey, other people have other opinions on that. Anyways, and it had some different tires. They were more of a street tire on it, but still pretty big and looked pretty cool. But we put these ion wheels on with the AMP Terrain Attack tires. So you got brand new rims and brand new tires on here. It does cost a little extra if you want these rims and tires. I think the vehicle with these wheels and tires is priced out around $24,900. And with the other rims and tires, you're going to be looking around I believe $22,900. So there's a $2,000 difference just for the rims and tires. So just let me know if you come up and end up wanting to buy it. You can pick either one. Anyways, you do got the rock slider sides here looking kind of sweet. You know, I'm starting to notice on some of these Jeeps, you know, some of these people that build them, they don't always go off-roading in it, so it's more of the kind of a look thing. But it is functional. Put your foot there, pop up, get in, and they look good, you know, look better than just a plastic bottom there, right? Pretty clean though, orange. Definitely a Clemson Tiger fan going on in here. So it's pretty sweet. Interior's all stock for the most part. Does got some switches on the other side there and a CD player added in, which is aftermarket. But everything else on the inside is pretty much stock. Does got the hard top up top in black, so you got your black hard top with your orange. Does have different fenders on it, okay? These are aftermarket. Looks pretty good. And got your Aqua Bumper. How about that? Water, not for drinking, of course, but it's an Aqua Bumper. This right here rolls up into here. They got it kind of attached to the jack. But yeah, you can spray that little puppy right there and squirt the mud off. If you're at the beach, really nice, man. Get the sand off your feet before you get in your Jeep. I like it, man. Doesn't that sound good? Anyways, it does have some aftermarket taillights as well with LED. Look pretty cool. Pretty cool. You got a fifth wheel on the back. Very nice. Tow package down there, all that. It's a factory back bumper. But anyways, let's see how many miles are on her, right? She has 123,567 on the mileage. So miles aren't too bad for a 2012. Some say high mileage, but out here at Rodgers Wranglers, a lot of our Jeeps are going to have just a little bit over 100K on the miles. Automatic, four-wheel drive though, not bad. And again, you got some switches in here for your lights and all that good stuff. Anyways, just a quick review of it. It's a cool Jeep, looks cool, you know. Definitely some eye candy here that'll get some people's attention when driving down the road. Let me know if you're interested in this one, if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you're at. Let me know. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Do you like the white one? The black one? 50 of them more? We got tons of them out here, guys. So this is definitely what we would call a Jeep Emporium. There's tons of them out here at Rodgers Wranglers. Stop by and see us. We also have a lot of other vehicles as well, folks. In-house financing, no credit. Just put some cash down. You can even do that on the Jeeps, and you'll be riding today. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you. And visit our website at RodgersWranglers.com.